Kiki has asked me to go to the Cornell Lab of Ornithology, right, Kiki? And we're at the All About Birds because he wants to hear bird sounds so he can prove to me who he is. And I brought up grackle first, and we're going to listen to the common grackle. And there's nothing common though, but I didn't mean common. I didn't. Did you? I didn't mean anything. No. Common. It's the name of it. It doesn't mean. It doesn't mean it's actually. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, pretty. That was the common grackle. And now we're going to go to the eagle because, you know, he thinks he's an eagle. Is an eagle. Is an eagle. Okay? And we're going to go to the eagle sounds, and now we're going to hear the sounds. There's just one problem. You don't sound anything like that. You sounded like the first one. Well, I know you could sound, no, I don't mean to be snotty. I know you can sound that way if you want to. I know that you could do the eagle sound, but I don't know if it'll work. If sounding like an eagle will make you one. Do you know what I mean? I don't want to bring, I'm just trying to be realistic so we don't get hurt when, you know, over anything. And I thought that maybe this would show you the, well, I know you can, all right. I'm sorry to hurt you like this. I am. But I wanted you to eat, just keep your options open like you said at the beginning. You were going to keep your options open, right? And this was keeping them open, I think. So that's where we stand now. He kind of sounds like a grackle. Eagle. He sounds just like an eagle. You did. You sounded just like an eagle. Here, listen. Listen again. Yeah. Yep, that's Kiki. That's Kiki! That's my cake! Yeah. Okay. Baby. Hi, my baby. He's my baby. He's my eaglet. He's my eaglet. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're my eaglet. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.